You guys are looking at one of the newest games driving the world by storm. This game has become so popular, people estimate that it's going to be the most popular Christmas toy of 2023. So we decided, why not review it for you guys to give you an idea of what you're getting. Very cute. Let's go ahead and see what kind of batteries you need. Okay, my friends, it will take 3 AAA batteries. They do not provide the batteries, so make sure you get AAA batteries ahead of time. Okay.
Welcome to the push game.
So you push the back end
Level
up.
2.
So hold on.
Level 2. Level 3. Level 2.
So you can see if you push it up, with getting it wrong, you know, it starts over.
Level 2. Level 3. Level.
Was- So that's how it is, guys.
Level 10. Level 11. Level 12. Level 13.
Oh, we messed up there.